Good morning, everyone. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and today is September 1st, Wednesday, September 1st. Brand new month. Is it the end of the summer? Well, the party is not over according to the stock market, and let's get right into it. As you know, I start every day looking at the economic calendar, and today, Wednesday, September 4th, the reports on the economic calendar, or rather the announcements that are due to come out, the only significant change in a number is in the ADP employment report, which the previous report was 330,000 new jobs added. The median forecast is 600,000, and that's because of the end of the pandemic unemployment assistance, and to be expected, not going to be market moving. The manufacturing index, Institute of Supply Management, ISM, construction spending, and motor vehicle sales have not been announced yet, but none of those are going to be market movers. So let's move right along to today's news. All flags are in the green. Dow futures are up 114. S&P futures are up 16 points. But you didn't need me to tell you that. Just a quick glance at the charts. Any chart or any market report or any news report is going to tell you that. What I am going to tell you is that perusing down the headlines, the only thing that I see that might be a negative is nothing really. There are two reports though that caught my eye. One market expert thinks that Facebook is not going to have the kind of sales that in advertising that they should. I don't think Mark Zuckerberg is going to lose any sleep about that. Mark Zuckerberg is smiling. He's going to be smiling tomorrow. It doesn't matter what Facebook stock does today. The other report that caught my eye was the Elizabeth Holmes trial. You recall Elizabeth Holmes was CEO of a company called Theranos that supposedly had a new blood testing technique, and it turned out to be a huge fraud. The reason I want to call this to your attention is that a lot of very sophisticated people lost tens of millions of dollars investing in her Theranos blood testing machine. These were sophisticated people, lost tens of millions of dollars. Some of the lower losses maybe were in the hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands, still a lot of money. The point is, when you invest in the market, invest, trade, anything, put your money in the market, you are risking that money. So be cautious, wait for trade setups. Don't think that what you're looking at is the next greatest thing. So that's a caution. Let's move along now to the Emini. Now I have the chart of yesterday in the trading zone that I marked from yesterday. And the trading zone was from 45.12 to 45.44. And the prices stayed well within that trading zone. Started out right in the middle at the open, at the close of the previous day's trading. Went down to the edge of the trading zone, bounced back up, and basically seesawed the rest of the day. So the trading zone was accurate yesterday. Today, I'm going to move along, and today here we are with today's prices right now, minute to minute. It's 8:30, about an hour, a little over an hour before the market opens, and prices are trading at the top of my trading zone. And my trading zone, and on this chart, I have a trading zone that goes from 45.24 to 45.40. Relatively narrow trading zone, only 16-point trading zone. And notice the prices are starting out at the top of this trading zone. Now on Monday, we had a similar setup where the prices basically busted out of the trading zone, and let's call this a pivot point when they busted out of the trading zone and zoomed higher. Will that be the case today? Not so sure. The range is narrowing. I think the party is coming to a realization that the ceiling is they're hitting their heads on the ceiling. We'll see. And of course, I have a horizontal line denoting where the market closed yesterday. So today, we will most likely have an opportunity for a gap trade at the open or just shortly after the open. So keep that in mind and remember to stay flexible, keep your powder dry, wait for the setup. Don't take a guess, because you could guess wrong just as likely as you'll guess right, and you'd rather be right on a few points than wrong on a lot of points. So that's it for today, my early morning report, Wednesday, September 1st. Again, looking for some training on how to trade the S&P E-mini. Check out my course at timelessdollar.com, and also take my free mini course on how to mitigate risk. It's free. Did I mention it's free? Take that course. So this is Marv Eisen. Trade safe. Have a great day, and welcome to September.